I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problem Solving.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking chapter 1 of recently launched Excel 2022 course. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access and many more courses. I will provide you A+ grade in your all assignment, exam, quiz and complete course. You can see these grades. I have done this course for my one students. You can see these grades. Okay, you can contact me for your complete course deal through my WhatsApp and email. I will give you very reasonable prices. That's first we will enable editing. Title of assignment is XP22 Excel chapter 1 HOE Souvenirs. Okay, here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. And now moving on customer 1. Customer 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name XP22 Excel chapter 1 HOE Souvenirs. XLS creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, in this question, we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download this file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. I have also downloaded this file. You can see this. I have this file download from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download that file on your portal. Now moving on. Next question. Next question is that. Next question, question number 2. You notice that the worksheet contains some spelling errors that need to be corrected. Use Excel to check and correct the spelling error in the worksheet. Basically, in this question, we will check the spelling errors. Okay. Now moving on Excel workbook. For check the spelling error, click on Review tab. Click on Spellings. Okay. Do you want to continue check at the beginning of the sheets? Yes. Okay, for check spelling error, click on Change All, then click again on Change All. Okay, spell check complete, you are good to go. Press OK. Now moving on question number 3. You want to use autofill to enter a series of codes to create the product numbers. Enter 101 in cell B5 and use autofill to complete the sequence for the range B6 to B10 with the series. Basically, in this question, we will enter this number 101 in cell B5. Okay, 101 in cell in B5. Moving on Excel workbook, click on cell B5, enter 101 and then press enter. Okay, now moving on. Next step is that use autofill to complete the sequence for the range B6 to B10 with the series. Moving on Excel workbook, use autofill, double click on this here. Okay, autofill will be applying. Now moving on next question. Next question is question number 4. To motivate customer to buy more product, you want to change the 5% into 0.05 of the 10% of 0.05 of. Find all occurrences. Find all occurrences of 0.05 and then replace them with 0.10. Basically, in this question, we will find all occurrences. Okay, you can copy this 0.05 first. Now moving on Excel workbook, click on Home tab, then click on Find and select. Click on Find. First find is that 0.05 and then replace with 0.010. You can copy this and then move. Click on Excel workbook, replace, find 0.05 and then replace with 0.10. Click on Replace All. Sorry, 1 second is that. Find all occurrences of 0.05 and 0.10. 0.05 and then replace 0.05 and 0.10. Okay, replace are all done. We made one replacement, then press OK, then close it. Delete this. OK. Now moving on next question. Next question is question number 5. Okay, question number 5 is that column C contains the cost of each product and column D contains the markup rate. Using these values, you will calculate the markup amount for each product in column E. In cell E5, enter a formula to calculate the markup amount, which is the result of multiplying the cost by markup rate. Copy the formula to the range E6 to E10. Basically, in this question, we will have to enter a formula in cell E5 to calculate the markup amount, which is the result multiplying the cost by the markup rate. Moving on Excel workbook, click on cell E5. First we will press is equal to and then multiplying by cost multiplying by markup rate, C5 multiplying by D6, DC5 multiplying by D5. Okay, cost multiplying by markup rate, then press enter. It will be show markup amount in here. Okay, copy the formula to the range E6 to E10. Moving on Excel workbook, copy the formula to the range E6 to E10. This is done now. Okay, I have done 5 questions of this assignment right now. Moving on question number 6. Now that you have to calculate the markup amount, you can calculate the retail price for each product in column F. In cell F5, enter a formula to calculate the retail price, which is the sum of the cost and the markup amount. Copy the formula to the range F6 to F10. Basically, in this question, we will have to enter a formula in cell F5 to calculate the retail price, which is the sum of cost and then markup amount. Moving on Excel workbook, click on cell F5. First we will press is equal to, okay, cost plus markup amount. Okay, we will add cost plus markup amount and then press enter. It will be show retail price in here. Retail price is here, cost plus markup amount. You can see this. Okay, okay, copy the formula down through F6 to F10. Okay, this question is completely done right now. Now moving on question number 7. Question number 7 is that each item is on sale this week. The sale price is X% of the retail price. You need to calculate the sale price. In cell H5, calculate the sale price. Copy the formula down the range H6 to H10. Basically, in this question, we will have to enter a formula in cell H5 to calculate the sale price. Okay. Moving on. Excel workbook, click on cell H5. First, we will press is equal to retail price copy the formula down H6 to H10. Okay, multiplying by into 1 minus G5, then press enter. It will be show sale price in here. Copy the formula down. Now moving on question number 8, you can see this. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Contact me for your assignment help, exam help, simulations or complete course deal through my WhatsApp email. I will give you very reasonable price and provide A plus grade. I have done this course for my one more student. You can see this grade. I will provide you A plus grade in this course. Okay. Question number 8 is that. Now moving on to question number 8. The profit margin is the ratio of the net profit as a percentage of revenue. The formula first calculates the net profit between the sale price and the cost and divides that by the sale price. In cell I5, enter a formula to calculate the profit margin. Copy the formula to the range I6 to I10. Basically, in this question, we will have to enter a formula in cell I5 to calculate the profit margin. Moving on Excel workbook, click on cell I5. First, we will press is equal to, enter is equal to, okay, then, okay, in cell I5 enter a formula to calculate the profit margin. Sale price, subtract from C6 here cost and divided by sale price, then press enter. It will be show profit margin is here. Copy the formula down in this column. Okay, copy the formula down I6 to I10. Now moving on question number 9. Question number 9 is that you decide to add a column to display the profit. Because profit is a dollar amount, you want to keep the profit column, close the another column of dollar amount. You will insert a column for the profit amount and enter the column heading. Insert a new column I and enter profit amount I in cell I4. You can copy this formula, enter a new column I and then enter profit amount in column I4. Moving on Excel workbook, right click on this, insert new column I. Okay, then in I4 click and enter profit margin, profit amount in column I4, enter amount, profit amount, then press enter. It will be added in here. You can see this profit amount in column I4. Now moving on question number 10. In question number 10, now you are ready to enter the profit amount formula. Okay, in cell I5 enter a formula to calculate the profit, which is the difference between the sales price and original cost. Copy the formula to the range I6 to I10. Basically, in this question we will have to enter a formula in cell I5, enter formula in cell I5 to calculate the profit, which is the difference between the sale price and profit cost. Moving on Excel workbook, and then we will have to enter a formula in cell I5. Moving on Excel workbook, click on cell I5. First we will press is equal to, okay, sale price, difference between sale price and original cost. Sale price, subtract from original cost and plus is equal to, okay, profit amount will be here, it will be shown here, and then copy the formula to the range I6 to I10. Okay, this is done now. Total question of this assignment is 29. Now I have done 10 questions. Now moving on question number 11. You want to insert 2 rows for categories name above the respective product. Then you want to delete the rows containing the soundtrack CD. Insert a new row 5 and tap apparel in cell A5. Insert a new row 8 and then enter souvenir in cell A8. Bold the words in cell A5 and A8. Delete row 11 containing the soundtrack CD. First we will insert a new row 5 and then tap apparel in cell A5. Moving on Excel workbook, right click on row 5 and insert new row 5. Insert a new row 5 and then tap appear in A5. Click on cell A5 and then okay, appear in 5 and then insert a new row 8 and then tap souvenirs in cell A8. Moving on Excel workbook, click on row 8. Right click on this and insert row A8 and then tap souvenir in cell A8. Okay. Bold words A5 and A8. Moving on Excel workbook, click on cell A5 and click on bold. Click on cell A8 and then click on bold. Delete row 11 containing the soundtrack CD. Moving on Excel workbook, click on cell row 11. Right click on this and delete this row 8. Okay, row 8 will be deleted. Now moving on question number 12. Question number 12 is that increase the width of column A to 23.00, change the height of row 1 to 30, hide column B containing the product code. Increase the width of column A to 23.00. Moving on Excel workbook, first we will select column A, right click on column A, click on column width, change the data 23.00 in column A, press OK. Column A width will be increases. Change the height of row 1 to 30. Moving on Excel workbook, right select row 1, right click on row 1, row height and then change data in row height, then 30 and then press OK. Row 1 height will be changed and increase. Height column B containing the product codes. Moving on Excel workbook, select column A, column B, right click on column B and then hide column B. Column B will be hidden. Okay. Moving on, question number 13. Question number 13 is that the t-shirt product is below to souvenir heading. The product belong in the apparel section. You will move the t-shirt product row to be above the souvenir heading. Select and cut the range A11 to J11. Insert cut cells on row 8. First we will select this A11 to J11. Okay, select, basically in this question, select and cut the range A11 to J11. Moving on Excel workbook, enter this range. Okay, right click on this, enter this range, right click on this, cut this range, insert cut cells on row 8. Moving on Excel workbook, click on row 8, right click on this and then insert cut cells on row 8. Okay, now moving on question number 14. Question number 14 is that the travel mug product information is missing because it is similar to the mug data. You will copy and paste the mug data and then edit it for the travel mug. Copy the range A10 to J10 and paste into cell A12. In cell A12 enter traveling mug. Okay, in cell C12 enter 7. Okay, first we will copy the range A10 to J10 and paste into cell A12. Moving on Excel workbook, first we will enter this range. Okay, copy this range and paste into cell A12. Click on cell A12. First we will copy this range, copy and then paste in cell A12. Okay, in cell A12 enter travel mug. In cell A12 enter travel mug. In cell C12 enter 7 and C12 enter 7. First we will cell A12 enter travel mug. Okay, and then C12 enter 7, C12 enter 7. Okay, now moving on next question, question number 15. Question number 15 is that you want to experiment with paste options. In cell A1 apply bold, select 14pt font size and select dark red font color. Copy the range A1 to J12 and paste into cell A20 as value is source formatting. In cell A1 apply bold, select 14pt font size. Cell A1 apply bold, 14pt font size, and then select dark red font color, dark red font color. Click on font color. Here is dark red font color, dark red font color. Copy the range A1 to J12 and paste into cell A20. Copy this and paste into cell A20. First we will copy this range and paste into A20, A1 to J12, A1 to J12 and paste to A20. Okay, I have done 15 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 16. Question number 16 is that the worksheet title should stand out prominently on the worksheet. Select the range A1 to J1 and then apply heading 1 cell style, mark and center the data and apply middle alignment, vertical alignment. First we will select this range. Select, basically in this question, select this range and then apply heading 1 cell style. Moving on Excel workbook. First we will select this range. Click on cell style. Here is heading 1 cell style. Okay, merge and center the data. This range is also selected. For merge and center, go to the home tab, click on home tab and click on merge and center. Merge and center the data, data will be merged and centered. Okay, and then apply middle align, vertical alignment. Moving on Excel workbook, click on alignment tab. Okay, here is middle alignment, vertical. Okay, now moving on question number 17. I have done 16 questions of this assignment. Question number 17 is that the columns heading on row 4 should be formatted to improve the appearance of the worksheet. Select the range A4 to J4, horizontally center, apply bold and then wrap text of the heading. First we will select this range. A4 to J4. Moving on Excel workbook, we will select this range A4 to J4. Okay, horizontally center, apply bold, wrap text. Horizontally center, click on bold and go to the home tab and here is wrap text. Okay, this range will be wrap text, bold and horizontally center. I have done 17 questions of this assignment right now. Now moving on question number 18. Question number 18 is that the select the range A6 to A8 and then A10 to A12, indent twice the product name. First we will select this range, indent twice the product name, indent twice the product name. First we will select this range A6 to A8. Moving on Excel workbook, enter this range, indent twice is 1 and 2. Tab, click on 2 times on this indent, increase indent. Okay, and then select this range. Moving on Excel workbook, enter this range and then indent twice. Indent twice is here, 1 and 2. Click 2 times on this increase indent. Okay, I have done 18 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 19. Select the range A4 to G4, apply blue gray text to letter 80 fill color. Select the range G4 to H12 and apply the thick outside borders. Okay, first we will select this range A4 to J4 and apply gray text 2, apply blue gray text 2. Moving on Excel workbook, first we will select this range, click on font color, apply blue gray text 2, blue gray text 2 letter 80%, blue gray text 2 letter 80%. Blue gray text 2 letter 80% is here, you can see this. Okay, apply blue gray text 2 letter 80%, blue gray text 2 letter 80%, fill color, sorry, this is dark color, we will apply fill color, blue gray text 2 letter 80% fill color. Okay, then select this range G4 to H12 and then apply thick outside border. Enter this range and then click on border, and here is thick outside border. You can apply this thick outside border on this range. Okay, now moving on next question, question number 20. You want to display the dollar sign for the monitoring to improve readability. Select the range C6 to C12, E6 to F12, F6 to I12 and then apply accounting number format. Okay, basically in this question we will apply accounting number format on these ranges. First range is that C6 to C12. Moving on Excel workbook, click enter this range, click on home tab, and here is accounting number format. Second range is E6 to F12. Select this range, enter this range in range area and then go to home tab and then select accounting number format. And third range is that H6 to I12. Select this range, moving on Excel workbook, enter range in range area and then go to the home tab and then click on accounting number format. Okay, this question is completely done. You can see this total question of this assignment is 29. I have done 20 questions of this assignment. I have done 85% of this assignment. For remaining question, or you want to read for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. For your assignment help, your simulation help, your complete course read, please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. I will do your complete course. I will handle your complete course. I will handle your each and everything, all simulation, assignments and complete course. Please subscribe my channel, like my video and watch my videos, like my video. I can handle your complete course. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.